Welcome, Form 4, Maths, Past Year, Mrsm. Topic, Linear Law. In diagram 12, the variables x and y related by equation y equals px squared, where p is a constant. And then question, find the value of p and q. First of all, we complete the diagram. That is, log y base 10 is the capital Y, log x base 10 is the capital X, and the coordinates 0, 2 label capital X1, capital Y1, the coordinate N8 label capital X2, capital Y2. It is capital, huh? Okay. So we start from the, what is the question asking? Question asking, find P and N. As I said, we start from what they ask. They asking P. I go to information that is involving the P, which is y equals px power 3. They asking N. I go to the information involving N, which is the coordinate N8. Next, this y equals to px power 3. Because of the x power 3, the equation is non-linear. Because of x power 3, equation non-linear, we must change it to straight line linear. And straight line linear is equation is capital Y and capital X plus C. Now how do we change the non-linear to straight line linear? Since got power, whenever got power, that is x power a or a power x, where a is a number, x power a or a power x, we must use log to get y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so I'm going to take this equation and use log here. So the y equals to px power 3. I apply the log base 10 on both sides. LG means log base 10. So log y and then log px power 3. I apply log on both sides. And then if you look at the right hand side, which is log p x power 3, we will use the formula log. Log a times b equals to log a plus log b. So now, log px power 3 becomes log p plus log x power 3. And this log x power 3, I'm going to use the formula log a power b. The power b can come down and becomes b times log a. So here, log x power 3, the 3 come down and becomes 3 log x. Now on the left hand side, I just copy back log y, and then I just copy back the log p. Remember, LG means log base 10. And here, this equation, log, I must change it to y mx plus c. So on the right hand side, I must have the x first. X first. So these 3 log x and log p, I exchange place. 3 log x plus log p, I exchange place. Left hand side, just copy back. And now, if I take this log equation and compare with y mx plus c, compare, I will get the capital Y is log y over here, and the gradient m is 3, m is 3. The capital X is log x, capital X is log x, and the c is log p. C is log p. Remember, question asking, find the P and N. So to find the P, I will use the information P, which is C equals to log P. Okay? Remember that the C over here, this C is the C over here is actually the Y coordinate when the X coordinate is 0. In this equation, y mx plus c, the c is the y coordinate when x is 0. So the c is the y coordinate when x is 0. So I use one of the coordinates given, that is 0, 2, which I labeled just now capital X1, Y1. Therefore, the 2, Y1 is C. The 2, which is Y1, is C, because X1 is 0. Over here, when X is 0, the Y is C. So now in this C equals to log P, sorry for that, C equals to log P, the C I replace by 2, the C I replace by 2, and then remember LG, log base 10, I copy back log base 10. So C is log P base 10, and the C I replace by 2. So finally I have 2 equals log P base 10. And if you remember, in log equation can change to indices. If I have log A base B equals to C, A equals to B power C. That's what I'm doing here. Log P base 10 is 2. Therefore, the P is 10 power 2, which is 100. Therefore, P is 100. We got our first answer. Now, second, we need to find the N. I said go to the information regarding N, which is a coordinate N8, which was X2, Y2. And we also had another coordinate 0, 2, X1, Y1. Since we have 2 coordinates, we can use the formula of gradient. Use the formula of gradient. Okay? Why gradient? Because we were given the gradient M3. We got gradient M3. I'm using the formula of gradient. And also because we have the 2 coordinates. One of it involving N, which they are asking. So now Y2 minus Y1, that would be 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2. And then X2 minus X1, which is N minus 0, N minus 0. And our gradient N over here is 3. Is 3. Now this would be 3 equals 8 minus 2 is 6. N minus 0, of course, is N. And then I take the N go up, 3 come down. I have N equals to 6 over 3. Therefore, N is 2. Okay? That's all for today's lesson. Thank you. I see you on the next lesson.